Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and commanding heavy-duty trucks ever built, the 2026 Ford F-3500. If you love raw engine sound, aggressive exterior styling, and a luxurious yet ultra-tough interior, this truck is going to impress you. In this video, we'll explore the engine sound, the exterior design, and the interior features of the 2026 Ford F-3500 in detail. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Engine and sound performance. Let's begin with what heavy-duty truck fans love the most, the sound. The 2026 Ford F-3500 delivers a deep, aggressive, and unmistakable engine roar that instantly reminds you this truck is built for serious work. Whether it's equipped with the advanced Power-Stroke diesel or a high-output gasoline engine, the sound profile is bold, muscular, and commanding. At idle, the engine produces a low, throaty rumble that feels powerful yet refined. Press the accelerator, and the exhaust note becomes deeper and more aggressive, especially under load. You can literally feel the strength through the vibrations and hear the authority in every rev. Ford has also improved sound insulation, so while the engine is loud and proud on the outside, the cabin remains calm and controlled. This balance between performance sound and interior comfort makes the 2026 F-3500 perfect for both work and long-distance driving. Exterior design, bold and dominant. Now let's talk about the exterior, because the 2026 Ford F-3500 is impossible to ignore. Right from the front, the massive grille dominates the road. The bold Ford badge sits proudly in the center, surrounded by sharp, modern lines. The LED headlights are larger, brighter, and more aggressive, offering improved visibility and a futuristic look. The hood is tall and sculpted, emphasizing the truck's power and strength. From the side, the long wheelbase, wide fenders, and muscular stance clearly show that this truck is built to handle extreme loads and tough terrain. The 2026 model features updated body lines that improve aerodynamics without sacrificing toughness. Large alloy wheels and heavy-duty tires provide excellent grip, whether you're towing, hauling, or driving off-road. At the rear, the F-3500 continues its bold theme with strong tailgate styling, LED taillights, and an integrated step for easy access to the cargo bed. The bed itself is built from high-strength materials, designed to handle serious work while resisting wear and tear. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026 Ford F-3500 is aggressive, modern, and unmistakably heavy-duty. Interior, luxury meets toughness. Step inside the 2026 Ford F-3500, and you'll be surprised by how luxurious it feels. For a completely refined interior, offering a perfect balance between comfort, technology, and durability. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather options, and rugged accents that remind you this is still a work truck. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long hours on the road. Whether you're driving across the city or towing heavy loads on highways, the seating comfort is exceptional. Heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable seats are available depending on the trim level. The dashboard is clean, modern, and driver-focused. A large digital instrument cluster provides all essential information clearly, while the massive central touchscreen controls infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Technology and features. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Ford F-3500. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and easy to use. It supports smartphone integration, voice commands, and advanced navigation features. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and premium sound systems make every journey enjoyable. Ford has also packed this truck with advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, and trailer-specific safety technologies that make towing easier and safer. Cameras placed around the truck provide a 360-degree view, which is extremely helpful when parking or connecting trailers. The digital rear-view mirror improves visibility, even when the cargo bed is fully loaded. Space and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Ford F-3500 is space. The cabin offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Storage compartments are intelligently placed throughout the interior, allowing you to store tools, personal items, and equipment with ease. The rear seats fold up to create additional storage space, making the F-3500 extremely practical for work environments. Cup holders, large door pockets, and center console storage further enhance convenience. Driving experience. Despite its massive size, the 2026 Ford F-3500 drives with confidence and stability. The steering feels solid, the suspension absorbs rough roads surprisingly well, and the truck remains composed even under heavy loads. Whether you're driving on highways, construction sites, or uneven terrain, the F-3500 feels reliable and in control. Ford's improved suspension system ensures a smoother ride compared to previous generations, making daily driving more comfortable than ever. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the 2026 Ford F-3500 is a true powerhouse that delivers on every front. It offers a powerful and aggressive engine sound, a bold and commanding exterior, and a refined, tech-filled interior that rivals luxury vehicles. Whether you need a truck for heavy-duty work, towing, or simply want a dominant presence on the road, the F-3500 is built to exceed expectations. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the 2026 Ford F-3500 sound, interior, and exterior, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.